1:07 in the afternoon here at the nursing home, and my roommate is trying to sleep. He's snoring up a storm. Can y'all hear that? And he complained about me snoring last night. I mean, that's crazy. I hope y'all could hear that. I wish I could get closer. I can't get closer because I'm bedridden, so. You hear that? I know you heard that one. He's not a quiet sleeper. Look at me, I'm picking my nose. Well, whether it be on the inside or the outside, if you do that, isn't that considered picking it? Go big. A lot of snoring. Big time. Big time snoring. Snoring, garage interior door. That's some loud snoring. It's okay though with me because it's 1:20 in the afternoon. Yep. Gotta clean off my screen. Dust particles. Here we go. Big time snoring. Big time snoring. Proof. Oh, I can't sleep. Too much noise at 1 in the afternoon. Oh. I can't help it because I'm big as white. I can't stop snoring. Well, you don't have to be big to snore. And he's snoring, and I've got proof. The next time he complains about me snoring, I'm going to play it on my TV real loud at night so that he can complain about himself snoring and why he can't sleep because of snoring of himself snoring. That's how I'm going to get him back. That's him snoring over there. My new roommate comes here complaining about loud noise at 1 in the afternoon. God, he's snoring like a train, a freight train. Hey, brother. Hey. 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 Hello? Hey. You're snoring so loud, dude. I mean, really loud. And you say I snore loud. I'm just letting you know. Huh?
I didn't get much sleep last night.
Because of what? Because of me snoring?
I just want to sleep, and I don't want to start getting conversation.
I'm not trying to have a conversation. I'm trying to tell you that you're snoring. Loud, very loud. So it looks like I'm not the only one that snores loud. I'm trying to sleep as well in the afternoon. And I can't do it with you snoring like that. Do you hear me, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Can you just try to do something about it? I don't know what you can do. I know you really can't do nothing about it because of your size, but, you know, because you're not thin yourself, you're a little bit chunky. Huh?
Sorry, man. I had surgery.
Alright, so when tonight comes and I'm snoring, you won't complain, right? As long as I stop complaining about you snoring, you'll stop complaining about me snoring? Is that the deal?
I don't know, man.
I'm just asking if it's a deal, and that way we can get along.
If you're snoring, I can't. I just have to put up with it.
Well, I mean, you snore too, though. I'm just saying, remember the conversation we had? I said, let's compromise about things, and you agreed that we can compromise? I'm bringing it up so we can compromise. Is that cool? If I snore, I won't complain. I mean, you won't complain, and if you snore, I won't complain. So we can get along. Is that cool?
Sure.
What?
Try.
Sorry.
So I'll try.
Oh, I'll try? Okay, that sounds fair. You'll try it? That's good. Alright, thank you. Just one more quick thing. I won't try. I will actually not bother you. I'm letting you know ahead of time. I expect the same, please. Thank you. Well, I guess we have a snoring agreement.